जोंहा बर' कसारि वेलफेयर काउन्सिल मोनसे जादों बर' कसारि वेलफेयर अटोनोमास काउन्सिल was created after बड'ल Territorial Council peace agreement, and as per our demand we are demanding both the tribals Bodo people, those who are remaining remaining outside the proposed Bodoland areas, to upgrade their council into a 6th scheduled council under the Article 244A of the Constitution of India. So this is a long-standing demand of the Bodo people. Now Bodo National Students Union is the only Bodo organizations for the movement and for the attaining the long cherished dream of the Bodo people. So we are demanding the separate state carving out of Assam because of this inhumanitarian treatment, because of exploitation, because of state motherly treatment, because of oppressions. And now we have seen in Assam as Bodo language in 2003 under the 6th schedule agreement we have attained the Bodo language as national language under the 8th schedule. Now this 8th schedule, the national language in Assam is now a secondary language. We don't have any equal representation. Our language under the 8th schedule national language is now a associated language in Assam. So this is a total discrimination. And we have since in Assam we have two national language, Assamese and Bodo. And now those people, the tribal people, if they do not know the Assamese language, then they will not get job in Assam. So this is a total discrimination. In Assam, Mizoram and Nagaland and Meghalaya was created on the basis of this negligence. When the Assamese language was imposed in the hills districts of Assam, the then Meghalaya, Mizoram and the Nagaland, then they protested and they demanded separate state. In the same case, for the tribal, one of the greatest plain tribe and the largest plain tribes for the people, the Assamese language was imposed by the government. And if the Bodo tribal people, if they fail to know the Assamese language, then they will not get any government job. So this is the total discrimination. Then white and Bodo language is regarded in the 8th schedule. We are also having the same status with the Assamese language. Then why such kinds of discriminations? So all these things, discrimination, made us to stand and fight for the long cherished dream of the Bodo people. Da बेफोरबादि नासयनाय नेवसिनायनि थाखायनो जोङो दिनै आलादा रायजो सोमावसारनायनि थाखाय जों दिनै गसंनांगौ जानानै फैदों। गेदेमा रायजो राजा नोंथांमोन आरो आंनि बंस'नि बिग्रायारि लोगो नोंथांमोन आरो आंनि आंगोनि मानगोनां डिगनिटारिस आरो आलासि लोगो नोंथांमोना दिनै जोंनि बे जन्तर मन्तराव जारिमिनारि नैथि खेब दिनै बड'लेण्ड सोमावसारनाय बंस'नि बेनाराव जाय सोमावसारनाया 2020 बिटिआर सक्तिनि गेजेरजों जोबनानै थांबायमोन। बर'फोरनि सिमाङा दिनै सिमां बादि जानानै थांबायमोन। बर'फोरनि मुंख्लंफोरनि जे सिमां, बै न'खराव खस्थ' मोननाय, जाय बिमा बिफाफ्रा मावरिया रान्दि जानांबाय, जाय बर' गथ'फ्रा मावरिया जानांबाय, बैफोरबादिनि सिमाङा दिनै जोबनानै थांबायमोन। सिरि सिराय जाबायमोन। बर' जोंनि इन्टेलेक्सुवेल्सफ्रा आफादफ्रा दिनै खुनु मोनसे खोथा बुंनो थाखाय सरकारनि एगेन्स्टआव हालियामोन। नाथाय बंस'आ जेब्ला जोनोम जाफिनो, बे थांखिखौ लानानै जों नांफिननो ओंखारो, अब्ला गासैबो आफादफोर, जोंनि मेलेमजिबि दैदेनगिरि आफादफ्रा दिनै बिखा फोथांनानै जों आलादा रायजोनि थाखाय सोमावसारफिनो बुंफिननो थाखाय बिथांमोना हाफिनदों। बिनि थाखायनो आङो गिदिमा रायजो राजा नोंथांमोनखौ आरो मुंख्लंफोरखौ आरो गासैबो जोंनि इन्टेलेक्सुवेल्सफोरखौ जोंखौ मदद होनायनि थाखाय जोंखौ बोर सारस्रिनानै बिसिम जोंखौ मोसाबसाबानि नेरनानै बिखा फोथां बे दिल्लीनि बिखायाव जोङो आवाज होनो हानायनि थाखाय नोंथांमोनखौ साबायखर बावो। आरो खेबसेबाव बर' माहारियारि फरायसा आफादनि जानानै जोंनि जि मोनसे डिमान्ड बे डिमान्डआ लेगेल डिमान्ड बे लेगेल डिमान्डखौ जों मोगथां महर होनो थाखाय जों गासैबो गेदेमा रायजो राजा नोंथांमोनखौ लानानैनो जों जयैनो जों खौसेयैनो जों आवाज होलांगोन जों खेबसेयैनो जोङो दिनै जोंनि लं स्टान्डिं डिमान्ड बे डिमान्डखौ जोङो जाफुंसार होनो थाखाय जों जानजि खाफ्रालांगोन जय बर' हारिनो जय बर' हारिनो जय बर' हारिनो गोजोन्थों।